The Polo GT was the car that created the trend for hot hatches in India. Despite being in a niche segment, the GT TSI has been the most popular choice among enthusiasts. And now for the 2020 model year, Volkswagen India has brought back its Pocket Rocket with some key changes.
Yes, the Polo GT TSI is back, and our favorite hot hatch now comes with a new 1-litre TSI petrol engine instead of the older 1.2-litre motor. Also, the DSG automatic that we much loved has been replaced by a 6-speed automatic torque converter.
While the basic design and styling of the Polo GT TSI remains unchanged, this one comes with some visual differentiations compared to the standard hatchback. Notable changes are the GT badge on the honeycomb grille, black ORVMs with turn indicators, and a new roof-mounted spoiler also in black. Even the C-pillar comes with the GT TSI lettering, something that we've seen earlier. The rest of the car, however, is similar to the regular Highline Plus variant of the Polo, including the 16-inch 10-spoke Portego alloy wheels, dual-beam headlamps, and smoked tail lamps. As for the cabin, except for the new gear lever, the Polo GT TSI sees no changes whatsoever. It continues to come with the same all-black interior and matching fabric upholstery. The flat-bottom steering wheel can be adjusted for both tilt and reach, while the touchscreen infotainment system gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as also MirrorLink connectivity. While it does get the Climatronic automatic aircon system, the new GT misses out on a front center armrest and rear AC vents, which weirdly enough are available on the Highline Plus variant. Dual front airbags, ABS, anti-pinch power windows, rear parking sensors and other safety features have been carried forward from the Highline Plus trim. But it still doesn't get a rear parking camera. However, it does come with ESC and hill hold control, which are exclusive to the GT variant.
As we mentioned earlier, the Polo GT TSI comes with the new 1-litre TSI turbocharged petrol engine that we tested in the regular Polo and the Vento as well. The engine makes the same 108 brake horsepower, and maximum power is achieved between 5000 and 5500 RPM. As for torque, the motor makes 175 Newton meters, which is available from as low as 1750 RPM all the way up to 4000 RPM. This means the engine offers the same low and mid-range performance that we got in the older GT.
Yes, the new GT is more powerful now compared to the older model. However, the highlight here is the new 6-speed torque converter unit. And right off the bat, let us tell you, there's a creep function that almost launches the car as soon as you take your foot off the brake. This means you have to be extra careful in stop and go traffic. Its compact size makes it an excellent city car. Yet, the powerful engine ensures that it can do highway runs with equal ease. The suspension is quite stiff, so you do feel some of the undulations on the road, but its handling prowess is still unbeatable. The steering too weighs up nicely, imparting more confidence while doing high speeds.
Now, this new automatic torque converter might not be as precise and engaging as the DSG unit, but it certainly doesn't feel like a downgrade. It is quick, it's responsive, and it's fun to drive. In sports mode, the shifts become aggressive and the car feels a lot quicker, but you also feel the jerks when the shifts happen. That is because it does not get the same dual clutch technology that the earlier GT model got. Although, if you need the control in your hand, then there is a manual mode as well, but you do not get paddle shifters.
Currently, the Polo GT TSI is the only hot hatch in the segment, as both the Baleno RS and the Punto Abarth have been discontinued. At 9,67,000 rupees, it is just about 47,000 rupees more expensive than the regular Highline Plus automatic trim. Yes, it misses out on some creature comforts that have become common in this segment, but one does not buy the Polo GT for its premium features. One buys it for the strong build quality, exciting performance, and enjoyable driving manners. And that the Polo GT TSI offers in plenty.